2017 Dodge Charger, 392 HEMI. Beautiful car. Still got the stock converters there and there, the factories. Got a factory X pipe. Then earlier in the year we did MagnaFlow Magna packs on it. And then he decided it's not loud enough, so he went and bought two Vibrant 1794, I think the number on them. Glass packs there and there, race bullets, and we put 4-inch tips on it for him also. So it's something different. You guys haven't heard that before. It's a mixture of both. I'll let you guys hear it and see what you guys think. It's the RT edition. This is what we took off the rear mufflers right there. I'll let you hear it. 2016 Dodge Charger 392 HEMI, Royal Purple or Crazy Purple or Crazy Plum Purple SRT. It's got the stock converters, comes with a factory X pipe, and we did a resonator or mid muffler delete on it. We kept the rear mufflers or resonators, each person calls them differently. Right there and right there. There's where we deleted them. Let you hear it in a minute. This is the old two we just cut off right there. Not bad. Oh, I like it. That's actually a really good combo. I've never heard them like that. They're usually a lot more raspy.
Yeah. Well, obviously those
the Vibrants are helping. And we put the boards. Go ahead. That's where we cut them off. Updates.